Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am MD Kaish Sardar, the headmaster of Banayamul High School. Dear learners, you know that COVID-19 has spread all over the world like a pestilence. So the school has been closed for long days and online classes are going all over the world, including Bangladesh. In its year, we are taking online classes from 23 June. Already I have taken 4 classes. Today's my lecture will be 5th lecture. Dear learners, the previous day I taught you about rule number 2, and I told you that the rule number 2 has 6 branches. The previous day I taught you 5 branches. Today I shall teach you about the last branch of rule number 2. Present past continuous is equal to past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous, that is past perfect continuous tense is changed into past perfect continuous tense. Dear learners, I have written the rule in English. Now I shall go to Bangla ভাষণ. যদি রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা পাস্টে থাকে আর যদি রিপোর্টিং সিস্টেম পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স থাকে, তাহলে পাস্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স পরিবর্তিত হয়ে হবে পাস্ট পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স. Dear learners, after offering all example, you will be able to understand. He said, I was sleeping. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. I have written an example on the whiteboard. He said, here said is reporting verb and it is in past tense. So the tense of reported speech will also be changed into past tense. I was sleeping, it is past continuous tense. This past continuous tense will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. The answer will be he said that here I is a first person. You have already been told that first person indicates subject. I mean he. I is nominated, so the nominated of he is also he. He had been sleeping. I am going to Bangla version. I was sleeping. এটা past continuous tense আছে. Past continuous tense পরিবর্তিত হয়ে হলো past perfect continuous tense. Dear learners, I shall write another example on the blackboard. Mother said to me. You were going to school. This is sentence and this sentence is in past continuous tense. As the reporting verb is in past tense, so the tense of the reporting speech will be changed and it will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. The solution is that like it, mother told me that. Dear learners, you have already been taught that is used at the beginning point of the inverted comma. Mother told me that. Here you is a second person. Second person indicates object of the repeating verb. You means me, I. I had been going to school. I have been going to, you are going to school. এটা past continuous tense, এই past continuous tense পরিবর্তন হয় হলো past perfect continuous tense। কেন হলো? যেহেতু রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা past টেন্সে আছে। Dear learners, I taught you 6 branches of rule number 2. Now I shall go. Now I shall go and NB. Dear learners, look at the whiteboard. Do you know the full meaning of NB? NB noted below. N means noted, B means below. এর বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে বিশেষ দ্রষ্টব্য। If there are four terms, if there are four terms like shall, will, can, may. If there are four terms like shall, will, can, may, these four terms will be sent into their past form. Dear learners, try to understand the rule. Can be noted below. If there are four terms like shall, will, can, may, these four terms will be sent into their past form. That is, the past form of shall is should, the past form of will is would, the past form of can is could, may is might. Dear learners, I am going to Bangla version. যদি রিপোর্টেড স্পিচের শাল থাকে তখন শালের পাস্ট টেন্স হবে should, উইল থাকলে উইলের পাস্ট টেন্স হবে would, ক্যান থাকলে ক্যানের পাস্ট টেন্স হবে would, মে থাকলে মের পাস্ট টেন্স হবে might. Dear learners, I shall write some examples on this rule on the whiteboard. Look at the whiteboard and try to understand. He said, I shall do it. I shall do it. It is an example of NB. The solution will be, he said that here I is first person, so the first person indicates subject, I means he. Shall is used after I, but will is used after he. He would do it. Dear learners, I am going to Bangla version. I shall do it. আমি এটা করব। এখানে I বলতে he, I পরে shall বসে, কিন্তু he পরে shall বসে না, he পরে will বসে। এই যে will এর past tense হলো এখানে would। আর যখন will এর past tense করব তখন আর would এখানে প্রিন্সিপাল ভার্ব do past tense করা লাগবে না। একটা past tense করলে পরেরটা past tense করা লাগে না। একই সেন্টেন্সে দুটো past form বসতে পারে না। Dear learners, now I shall give another example. I said to him, I shall take tea. Dear learners, I shall take tea. আমি চা পান করব। এখানে shall আছে, shall-এর past tense should হবে, will এর past tense should হবে। I told him that, the answer will be, I told him that. I first person, so first person indicates subject. I told him that I should. The past form of shall will be should. I should take tea. shall এর past tense হলো এখানে should। কেন হলো? যেহেতু রিপিটিং ভার্বটা past tense আছে, shall এর past tense should হয়ে গেল। Dear learners, I shall write another example on the whiteboard. look at the whiteboard and try to understand. Mother said, it may rain today. It may rain today. মা বললেন আজ বৃষ্টি হতে পারে। তো the solution will be mother said that. Mother said that. Here it is a third person. Dear learners, probably you know that third person remains unchanged. That is, third person has no change. Mother said that it may, the past form of may will be might, it might rain today. So I am going to Bangla version. যেহেতু রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব মে আছে, মের পাস্ট টেন্স হয়ে গেল কি মাইট। কেন হলো? যেহেতু রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা পাস্ট টেন্সে আছে। যদি রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা পাস্ট টেন্সে না থাকতো তাহলে মের পাস্ট টেন্স মাইট হতো না। নাও I shall write another example on the whiteboard. Bina said, I can do the work. I can do the work. The solution will be Bina said that she could do the work. Bina said that I first person. আমরা জানি ফার্স্ট পারসন ইন্ডিকেট সাবজেক্ট, ফার্স্ট পারসন থাকলে সাবজেক্টকে বোঝায়, সেকেন্ড পারসন ইন্ডিকেটস অবজেক্ট, সেকেন্ড পারসন অবজেক্টকে বোঝায়, থার্ড পারসন রিমাইন্স আনচেঞ্জড, থার্ড পারসনের কোনো পরিবর্তন হয় না। তো এখানে আই বলতে বিনা she, the first form of can will be could. She could do the work. Dear learners, I hope that you have understood the rule well. Now I shall go to an exception. This rule number 2 has an exception. Try to understand the exception. Dear learners, exception means ব্যতিক্রম, exception. Here is an exception of rule number 2. এখানে 2 নম্বর নিয়মের একটা ব্যতিক্রম আছে। 2 নম্বর নিয়মের একটা ব্যতিক্রম আছে। If habitual fact or universal truth, if habitual fact or universal truth is expressed by the reported speech, the case of the reported speech will not be changed. Dear learners, I have written an exception on the whiteboard. The exception is if habitual fact or universal truth is expressed by the reported speech, the tense of the reported speech will not be changed. Dear learners, I am going to Bangla version. যদি রিপোর্টেড স্পিচ দ্বারা চিরন্তন সত্য অথবা অবরোধ কার্য বোঝায়, সেক্ষেত্রে রিপোর্টিং ভার্ব পাস্ট থাকলেও রিপোর্টিং স্পিচের টেন্সে কোনো পরিবর্তন হবে না। আর যদি রিপোর্টিং স্পিচ দ্বারা চিরন্তন সত্য অথবা অবরোধ কার্য বোঝায়, আর সেক্ষেত্রে রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা পাস্ট থাকলেও ইন্টারনেশন গিয়ে রিপোর্টিং স্পিচের টেন্সে কোনো পরিবর্তন হবে না। Dear learners, I shall write some examples on the whiteboard on this rule. Try to understand. If you feel any difficulty, ask me. I shall try to make you understand. Dear learners, my first example is His head, man is mortal. Man is mortal. বাংলা মিনিং তিনি বললেন মানুষ হয় মানুষের। Man is mortal. This is a statement, and this statement is universal truth. So, though the repeating verb for the past said repeating past tense, the tense of the reported speech will not be sent. He said that man is mortal. Man is মানুষ মানুষের, এটা রিপোর্টিং স্পিচ। এই রিপোর্টিং প্লাস চিরন্তন শব্দ কথা বলা হচ্ছে বলে রিপোর্টিং ভার্বটা পাশে থাকলেও রিপোর্টিং স্টেজে কোনো পরিবর্তন হলো না। রফিক said to me, Rafik said to me, Rafik said to me, the sun is a star. The sun is a star. সূর্য হয় একটা নক্ষত্র। It is the sun is a star. It is a statement and it is universal truth. So, though the repeating verb is in past tense, the tense of the repeating speech will not be sensed. I am going to Bangla version. Rafik আমার বলল সূর্য একটা নক্ষত্র। সূর্য একটা নক্ষত্র, এটা চিরন্ত সত্য, এটা scientifically proved. So, the solution will be Rafik told me. Rafik told me that the sun is red. That the sun is a star. That the sun is a star. Father said, Baba বললেন, Father said, swimming is a good exercise. Swimming is a good exercise. বাবা বলেন সাঁতারটা একটা ভালো ব্যায়াম। Swimming is a good exercise. It is a statement, and this statement is expressing a habitual fact. So, though the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of this statement or of the reporting speech will not be sent, as it is expressing a habitual fact. The solution will be Father said that swimming I am wrong in writing. Swimming is a good exercise. Dear learners, just now I have completed rule number 2. Now I shall go another rule of changing narration from direct to indirect.
Sir, okay করান।
And it will be
18 মিনিট হয়ে গেছে। 18 মিনিট হয়ে গেছে।
Dear learners, my time is over. Online class, we take online class only for 20 minutes. Dear learners, the rules which I taught you today will be gotten by your heart, and it will be the tomorrow's homework for you. Thank you all. I am going to finish my lecture, wishing you all sound mind and body. Thank you all.